Hi, my name is Detective Kirk. I'm with the Trenton City Police Department, and I've been in law enforcement for 26 years.
Why should cannabis be legalized?
Probably the main reason why cannabis should be legalized is a tax reason. If you can tax a product, the city, the state, everybody can make more money over it. Just like prostitution. It's one of the oldest things going on, marijuana, prostitution. So if you tax it, you can make money off of it.
DJ at class.
Hey, this is stoner music, man. Stoner! Stoner! I'm stoner, I'm stoner, I'm stoner. I'm stoner, I'm stoner, I'm stoner. I'm stoner, I'm stoner, I'm stoner.
Well, last Tuesday, the voters of both Washington and Colorado passed initiatives to basically repeal their state marijuana prohibition. So what that's going to do is it's going to remove criminal penalties for adults 21 and older who use and possess a limited amount of marijuana. What the initiatives also do is they instruct certain departments, certain state agencies from both Colorado and Washington to implement rules and regulations to regulate a marijuana market for adults 21 and older. So it'll be from basically cultivation through retail distribution to adults 21 and up.
If you catch me at the border, I got visas in my name. If you come around here, I'll make them all day. I get one down in a second if you wait.
Why shouldn't cannabis be legalized?
That's basically just a physical question. Why shouldn't it be legalized? Because of how it affects people. They're not in the right frame of mind. They're impaired. Be making wrong decisions. And then they would become addicted to it and probably use more drugs.
Get up, stand up for your right. Get up, stand up.
How would legalizing cannabis affect the court system?
It's going to affect the court system tremendously. Right now, it's illegal to have any drug within 1,000 feet of the school. Now you're going to have to do that one. 500 feet of a park. It's illegal to have anything like that. Then there's different types of marijuana. There's regular grown marijuana. There's marijuana laced with PCP. There's marijuana mixed with formaldehyde. There's marijuana grown underwater. It's all different potencies. Now the court has to figure out which one they're going to legalize, which one they're going to make illegal. And then again, it'll bog down the system more because now they have all different types of marijuana, all different types of prosecutions. So it's going to affect the courts dramatically. That's what I feel about it.
So what, we get drunk. So what, we smoke weed. We're just having fun. We don't care who sees. So what, we go out. That's how it's supposed to be. Cause you know I'm high as fuck. Young and wild and free. So what,
How do you think the legalization of cannabis would affect the community?
I think it would affect it in a negative way. If marijuana is legalized, I'm sure kids will probably smoke it before school. I don't think they'll apply themselves to the grades. And they probably wouldn't, half of them probably wouldn't even graduate. Also, you have other people who probably can't afford marijuana. And then when they become addicted to it, they might commit crimes just to try to get money to avoid it. To buy it, such as robbery. Somebody's walking down with $20, they need it for marijuana, they'll rob them for marijuana. Break into houses, burglaries. I think marijuana would affect the community in a negative way.
DJ at class.
Well, I'm a family physician and an addictionologist. Marijuana is addicting if it's used improperly, but used medically, and there are very valid medical reasons to utilize extracts or products from marijuana in medical procedures, is a very valid medical use under the direction of a doctor. And it's actually less dangerous than some narcotics that doctors prescribe all over this country. And also, this is a states' power issue, because many states across the country, in fact, my own state of Georgia, is considering allowing the medical use under the direction of a physician.
What is your personal opinion about this subject?
My personal opinion on marijuana is it should not be legalized. Right now, you have alcohol that's legalized, and that's been legal for decades. However, marijuana only takes a little bit to impair a person, where an average person might need 3, 4, 5 beers to become impaired, maybe even more. Marijuana promotes crime. It promotes gangs. There's gang wars over marijuana. There's robbery, stabbings. If you legalize it, will that all go away? Probably.
So what, we get drunk. So what, we smoke weed. We're just having fun. We don't care who sees. So what, we go out.
But the problem is it does have major impact upon the individual and upon the society. The mental impairment, of course, that's one thing that certainly is mentioned by the Office of National Drug Control Policy. Unfortunately, they did not weigh in this particular debate, but now we're going to have a major conflict between the federal law and the state laws in these two states.
Don't criticize it.